Here are some methods to fix a corrupted drive, but before going into the troubleshooting, I strongly advise you to back up the files you have there, because many methods will erase your data in the process. Okay, to recover the files from a corrupted drive, you can use a recovery software. From my personal experience, Wondershare Recoverit saved me, but you can also try Disk Drill, which has a free option that does the job. If you scroll in the Disk Drill page, there is also a tutorial on how to use the software. Okay, so after you have recovered and backed up your files, let's fix the drive so that you can use it normally. Right-click on the Start button and open Windows PowerShell. Type chkdsk, followed by the letter of the drive and /r. Press enter, and after it finishes, your drive should work again. If it didn't work, try a different cable if you are using an external HDD or SSD, or see if it connects into other computers. If it works with a different cable, then the cable is at fault and you have to replace it. If it works on other devices, then your computer might have a driver, a software, or even an operating system update that is causing the problems. You can also try to fix the drive with cmd. Right-click on Start, Run, type in cmd and hit Enter. Type in chkdsk, your drive letter, followed by 2 dots, space, /f, space, /x, and then hit Enter. The process might take some time, depending on your hardware, but after it finishes, see if the problem is fixed. Another fix you can try is to try a Belarusian software called Victoria 911. It is designed to fix minor issues within drives. The language might be Belarusian at startup, but you can change the language in the preference settings. This software is free, so you can just Google it and download it. After getting the free software, click on the drive, then Test and Repair, make sure that the scan is set to Read and Ignore, and then start the scan. My drive here has no errors or bad sectors, but if yours does, then enable the remap option. If even that didn't work, then you can try to format your drive. As said earlier, this method will erase your data, so back it up if you don't want to lose it. To format a drive, simply right-click on it, select Format, and from here you have 2 options. You can try to quick format. That way files will still be recoverable with recovery software most of the time, but if you quick format and the drive still isn't fixed, then you can uncheck quick format and it will do a full format. This will make Windows reset all sectors on the drive, and it might work.